Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to format phone number in Excel. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is open an Excel document and have the number we want to format as a phone number in a cell. Then select a cell and write equals text parentheses. We click in the cell where's the number, colon, quotes, and then the format we want to give the number, with zeros and hyphens. We close quotes and parentheses, press enter, and that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in the next Tech Solutions video.